2005 Prius here. Let's go ahead and close that door. We put LEDs. These two bulbs are smaller. This one's more brighter. We put light bulbs in here. We put light bulbs in there. And these are the light bulbs that came out. These came out of here. 1, 2, 3. This came out of here. And then we put LED. So here we go. Let's go to door. So that's how bright the middle is. These are the sides. And then we're going to lower the sides. Turn the middle to door because the trunk is open. That's why it's on. So let's go to off. And then open the... now we're going to do this. This I left it on. Open this. Comes on. Close. Open that one. And close. Now I'm going to close the trunk. And leave this to the middle, all the way to the left where it says door. Okay. And turn that one to door too. Alright, that one's on. And then we got one back here, LED back here too. Now we're going to close the hood, or the trunk, and the LED turned off. Why they didn't close?
What?
It should turn off. We got some door that's open. Is that on to set the door?
Yeah.
Is it on, off, or door?
On.
We want it on to door.
No, it's on the door.
All right. This one says the door. This is on. This is off. This is door. So let's see when you start the car. Hit the brakes and hit the button. All right, so everything turned off. And so we open the door. Everything's on. I'll put the trunk. Open your door. Open your door. It all turns on? Yep. Okay.
Right here.
Shut down this car. I'm gonna leave, get out. Give me the key. Don't touch. Just give me the key. I'm gonna lock the car now and see if it'll turn off by itself. I'm gonna arm the car. Everything turns off. Open the car.
Oh, but anyways, we're opening Kai's present.
Oh, Kai's present?
What
Right.
are you? Bye.
Wait, Daddy coming. What? Wait for Mommy to come home.